Student, I am Chandrasekhar. Today I am going to teach you class 7 subject maths. Today date 21st December 2020. This is a tip video part class 7 maths. Dear student, today I am going to teach you exercise 20B. And now exercise 20B, all of you understand question number 9. A square lawn is surrounded by a path 2.5 meter wide. If the area of the path is 165 meter square, find the area of the lawn. And now a square lawn is surrounded by a path. So at first we draw a square ABCD and a square EFGH. This is extended 2.5 meter this side, 2.5 meter this side, 2.5 meter this side, 2.5 meter this side. Now in this question, left side of a square AB is x meter. Side is not given, so let the side of a square AB is x meter. Now area of a square ABCD is equal to, all of you know, side into side, means side is square, so it is equal to x square. At first we find the area of a square ABCD. Now length of EF is equal to 2.5, this side extend, 2.5 this side extend, so x plus 2 into 2.5, so it is equal to x plus 5. Now length of EF is equal to x plus 5. Our area of a square EFGH is equal to x plus 5 per square, side square, so we write x plus 5 per square. So we write x square plus 25 plus 10x. All of you know a plus b का whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we multiply or we use this formula also. So area of the path is equal to area of a square EFGH minus area of a square ABCD. Area of a square EFGH minus area of a square ABCD. So we get area of the path. This is the path area. This is the path area. So we write x square plus 25 plus 10x minus x square, and also given path of the area is equal to 165 meter square. So x square cancel. So 10x is equal to 165 minus 25. 25 go to this side. So 10x is equal to 140. So x is equal to 140 by 10. So we get 14 meter. Now we find the side of a square 14 meter. Now area of the square lawn is equal to 14 into 14 means 196 meter square. This is your answer. Now question number 12. All of you understand, a 140 meter long and 60 meter broad lawn has two roads at right angle, one 2 meter wide running parallel to its length. One 2 meter wide road running parallel to its length, and another road 2.5 meter parallel to its breadth. So we write the name of the lawn A, B, C, D, area of the road, name of the area road E, F, G, H, and I, J, K, L. Now this area is common area, so name MNOP. Now area of the road EFGH is equal to length into breadth 2 meter wide, so L into B 115 into 2, so we get 230 meter square. Area of road IJKL, so parallel to breadth, so L into B. So breadth is equal to 64 into 2.5 meter wide. So we get 160 meter square. And now area of the common road. This is the common road. So MNOP is equal to L into B, 2 into 2.5 meter, so we get 5 meter square. Now total area of the road is equal to this area of the road EFGH plus area of the road IJKL minus area of the common road MNOP minus 5. So we get 390 minus 5, it is equal to 385 meter square. Now this is the area of the road. Find the cost of graveling of the road 60 per meter square. Here given, if 1 meter square graveling cost are 60, therefore 385 meter square graveling cost is equal to 60 into 385. So we get RS 23,100. So this is your answer. Thank you. God bless you. Next topic in next class.